Hey guys, it's Tuesday and hindi ako nakapasok kahapon kasi nga sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko. So, today is Tuesday and actually hindi ko pa talaga plan na pumasok today pero since today yung surprise celebration namin kay boss kaya kailangan kong pumasok kasi nga meron kaming intermission number, charot. So, anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales and aside from that guys, we'll also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales and actually hindi naman tayo busy today kasi nga kadarating lang ng ating delivery team, so obviously hindi naman tayo loaded of paperwork. So that would be my agenda for today guys. So anyway guys, diyan lang muna kayo at nag-work lang din muna ako. So, anyway guys, after work, dumiretso na din kami sa venue, doon sa Ice Plan. So, kasama ko sila Chini and then Nika. So, sobrang excited ako kasi nga it is a surprise celebration and then excited na din ako guys na kumain ng lechon, charot. So, anyway guys, as what you have noticed, andito na kami sa venue. So, waiting na lang din kami guys sa ibang visitors para at least makumpleto na yung mga bisita. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-enjoy lang din muna kami. So, anyway guys, as what you have noticed, nagsidatingan na yung mga bisita and waiting na lang din kami kay boss kasi nga it is a surprise celebration so wala talaga siyang idea kung ano yung magaganap today. So, obviously guys, siya na lang talaga yung hinihintay para at least makag-start na yung program and then makakain na din lahat ng mga bisita. So, as what you have noticed guys, kinakabahan talaga lahat ng mga tao dito kasi nga baka hindi maging successful yung pag-surprise namin kay boss. Pero hopefully guys, sana maging successful talaga itong surprise celebration namin kay boss. So, anyway guys, while waiting, dyan lang muna kayo and waiting lang din kami kay boss. So, stay tuned guys! So, while waiting guys, is nag-start muna yung program with a game. So, stay tuned guys.
Okay. So, pati 16, okay. Otro, okay. Then, nga rin ako magtigang? One, two, ganay! Okay. Otro, okay. Two, four, okay. Kung magkamali, tatanggalon natin, eliminate natin. Opo, sunod-sunod ako. Okay na. Pagduha ang number. Pag 66, ako nagaling para siguro niya na nabibisin ako. Isa-isa ganda ini. Okay. Dibatch niya na papadayan nato na. Okay. So, grabe talaga ang birthday celebration natin para pag Mama Aileen, ano? So, grabe. Gina-advance po talaga. So, nalilis ang pocket. So, walay pa. Ito pang anis na napuro. Ladies and gentlemen, please all rise as we welcome our birthday celebrant, Engineer Joselino Rosalado.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Please blow your birthday candle. And before that, welcome to your 60th birthday celebration. Palakpakan naman dyan! Hello, sir. Engineer, good evening. It's so cool ako acting. So, I hope na-surprise ka man kaya title po sini 60th surprise birthday celebration for Engineer Joselito Rosalado. Hello, sir. Okay nga gabi. Sir, please make a wish and please blow your birthday candle. There you go! Thank you, sir. You're now safe to your seat. Pilit ka na lang po. Yan. And of course, so smile po. Once again, duha po ang birthday ko po So, lalihan yung makaulang tayo sa kaisaramihan. Okay, thank you. Next table, please.
Someone else, but now love is ready, mga kapuksama kami for the surprise birthday celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch 1982, come on up.
Thank you.